Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you 2021's yearly horoscope for Sagittarius. The whole prediction if you're Sagittarius, your rising sign, your ascendant, or if you're Sagittarius, your moon sign. The whole prediction for 2021 yearly horoscope for Sagittarius will apply to you, for all Sagittarians, all of you. Introductory yearly horoscope report of Sagittarius for 2021. Introductory yearly horoscope report for Sagittarius for 2021. First thing first, Saturn's effect for Sagittarius for 2021. Since 24th of January 2020 till 29th of April 2022, Saturn transiting in second house, Capricorn. Is the whole prediction will apply if your Sagittarius is your moon sign, or Sagittarius your rising sign, your Lagna is Sagittarius, or your moon sign is Sagittarius. Paya of Saturn is silver. Paya of Saturn in silver means you'll achieve success, rewards, prosperity, name, fame, establishment, certain financial gain, comfort of the land or property. Sagittarius, sometimes you'll go through difficult time. Objective may be hard to achieve, may not produce the desired result quickly. You have to proceed cautiously at work. This may not be the favorable time for you. Financially, this is not a good period, but sometimes test your patience and fiber. Limit your expenses as much as possible. Income may come from several sources. You find it hard to hang on to it. Avoid disputes relating to property owned by your parents. This may cause unhappiness or damage to your pride. During this phase of time, you may involve in unnecessary living arguments or conflict and may get a lot of new enemies, sometime within your own family. You have to be careful of starting any conflict with anybody. Be aware of criminal tendencies. Avoid troubling your own people. Take care of your family life. Protect your health. You may lose your vitality, and sometimes because you're too worried. Even little hard work may tire you. Pay attention to your appearance. Traveling overseas is possible during this phase of time, and you may move around without purpose. Sometimes you're looking for something but you don't know what. Jupiter's effect in second house for Sagittarius. The transit of Jupiter in second house during this phase of time, when the Jupiter transit second house, this mostly donate good timing. This could be a rewarding phase for you, where you're likely to add on to your present financial earning, gain profit in trade, agriculture, business, career, and spend happily. And this period also see you investing in land, property, real estate, would help you to repay your debts. On the home front, this should be a happy time, happy phase, bringing people together. You're also expecting a enjoyment in your matrimonial relationship if you're already married. You may also expect a new member in the family. At work, you'll be able to gain confidence of your seniors, but also able to influence a lot of people. You'll be able to convince everybody. You'll gain over your enemies during this phase of time. Socially, this should be a satisfying period for you. You're likely to command more respect. You'll experience heightened grandeur and dignity. Mentally, you would be at peace. You're likely to sharpen your intellect during this phase of time. Transit of Rahu in 6th house. Transit of Rahu in 6th house. And Rahu transiting in 6th house since 19th of September 2020 till 17th of March 2022. Rahu transit in 6th house. Rahu will give you courage, mental strength. You'll gain confidence. Social circle will be wider. This bring in wealth from various resources. Rahu transit in 6th house will give you unique opportunities and uncertainties. Victory will be assured over enemies. It's a good time to take up new line of work. Something you had earlier thought of and abandoned. You may expect a smooth sailing on your work front during this phase of time. If you're into trade, business, agriculture, poultry, farming, you may expect a considerable profit in your respective field of work. This is a time period. Transit of Ketu in 12th house for Sagittarius. When the Ketu transit in 12th house, this signifies for some people bumpy ride. and your health need extra attention. And you also like to develop some sort of a health issue regarding bladders or piles or too much pain in your feet or legs. And family health is also fluctuating due to physical health issues. You both of you can suffer, the family, husband and wife, and sometimes you carry too much tension, too much depression. Beware of that, please. In this year 2021, Sagittarius general overview for 2021. In this coming year, a new business interest will come your way. Mentally, you'll be happy. Through your intelligence, you'll enjoy good earning. Your health will be good. There will be some enhancement to your status. You'll be strong, rough in speech, impatient, and unable to keep secret. Your expenditure will be excessive. There will be opportunity to travel. You'll be prone to anger, which would result in various problems. Beware of domestic strife, opposition from nearest and nearest one. You'll be wealthy, proud. You'll be prosperous in business and satisfied with as much you get it. Business and travel will provide you earning. You have some rise in status, prestige, benefit from higher authorities. Your income will be good. Abdominal and chest health issues will be there. And refrain from unnecessary temper, overreactions. Enemies you can overcome. There may be loss of earning. There will be excessive expenditure. And your money will be lost if you're not very careful. For more thorough yearly or report, information, solution, task, precaution, chanting, or profession, career, relationship, health, for that, please get the full yearly horoscope report from the website. If you want a thorough report of your yearly report, of your Sagittarius Lagna or Sagittarius moon sign, thorough report, and you would like to know the thorough learning about the Saturn transit, the holes for the whole year, and the effects of the Saturn, task, precaution, chanting, as well as Jupiter's transit for whole year, effects and task, precaution, chanting, Rahu Ketu's transit for whole year, effects and task, precaution, chanting, and whole prediction for the whole year, and prediction about your health, education, marriage, relationship, love life, career, skill set, property investment, lucky points, all the tasks, solutions, upay, precautions, mantra you should do for neutralizing your problems or creating a boost in your rising. All the information is there. It's over 9,000 words. It's like a 1 hour plus video. You can have that. Go and visit the website, get the full yearly horoscope report, and achieve your best.